Let's now install a Burp Suite certificate on an emulator. To install a Burp Suite certificate on an emulator, we need to look at the following steps. Open your Burp Suite and navigate to Options from the Proxy tab. Click on Import Export CA certificate and then select certificate in DR format and click Next. Click on Select File and type Burp Suite in the file name field and click on Save. Now click on Next. You can see that the certificate has been successfully exported to your computer. Now open the Android emulator of your choice and drag the file name burpsuite.dir from your computer to the Android emulator. After successfully copying the file into the emulator, click the file. Now go to your app menu, click Files and navigate to your download folder to see that the certificate is successfully copied. Again, go to your apps menu and click on Settings. Search for credential storage from the top search bar and click on the first result. From the given list of options, click on Install a certificate and then click on CA certificate. Click on Install anyway and then choose the Burp Suite file you recently copied to import. Click on the back icon, click Trusted Credentials and navigate to the User tab. You can see that the certificate has been imported successfully named Port Swigger. Click on the certificate to view the certificate details.